Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Airline Commander flight. First, navigate the main menu to select your initial aircraft. Focus on understanding basic controls like the throttle, rudder, and flaps. The game's comprehensive tutorial missions are crucial for building foundational skills. Pay close attention to the cockpit instruments. They provide vital information for successful flights. Mastering these initial steps will set you up for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Mastering takeoff and landing is essential for any pilot. For takeoff, apply full throttle and keep your aircraft centered on the runway. Rotate at the recommended speed, often around 150 knots, to lift off smoothly. During landing, carefully manage your descent rate and airspeed. Deploy flaps and landing gear at the correct altitudes, typically below 2,000 feet, to ensure a stable and safe touchdown on the runway. Once airborne, focus on following your flight plan using the navigation display. The autopilot is a valuable tool for maintaining stable cruising altitudes and headings, especially on longer routes. Remember to actively manage your fuel consumption and monitor various aircraft systems throughout the flight. Be prepared to respond effectively to unexpected events or emergencies, which can test your piloting skills and decision-making abilities at any moment. To build a successful airline, consistently complete contracts to earn valuable experience and in-game currency. As you progress through different licenses, you will unlock exciting new aircraft and challenging routes. Invest in upgrading your existing fleet to enhance performance and fuel efficiency. Strategically expand your airline by acquiring more planes and opening new destinations, ultimately maximizing your profits and becoming a top commander in the skies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.